This one small ball is enough to get rid of mice and rats in your home. Rodents settle in quickly and like to return to places where they feel safe, so the key is not only to scare them away, but also to prevent them from coming back. I'll show you a simple method that works effectively. Take a cotton pad that absorbs and releases scents well. Add half a teaspoon of garlic. Garlic has a very strong smell that rodents can't tolerate and instinctively avoid. Next, sprinkle it with cayenne pepper. Its sharp aroma irritates rodents and makes the deterrent even more effective. Add 10 drops of peppermint essential oil. Peppermint has an intense scent that confuses mice and rats and disrupts their sense of direction. Add a few drops of lavender essential oil to strengthen the mixture and make the smell even more unpleasant for rodents. Take some plastic wrap the cotton pad into a small ball, and poke a few holes in it with a toothpick so the scent can slowly escape. Place it where rodents may appear, such as in the garage, basement, on the patio, or near entrances to your home. The scent lasts a long time and creates a barrier rodents don't want to cross. This method is cheap, safe, and doesn't require traps. Mice and rats run the moment they get close to this. My home is rodent-free, and you don't need to buy any store-bought traps. Grab a whole head of garlic. It has a strong smell that lingers for a long time and works as a natural repellent. Next, take regular wooden toothpicks you probably already have at home. Start sticking them into the garlic one by one. Use a lot of them. The best way is to push toothpicks into each clove from every side. It's a completely natural solution that won't harm plants, pets, or the soil. Wait a few minutes, but that's not all. You can make it even stronger. Take a bowl and pour in about 7 fluid ounces of water. Add 1 tablespoon of cinnamon because it has a sharp, irritating scent that works as an extra deterrent. Mix everything well until it's combined. Now just pour this over the garlic. The liquid spreads the smell around the garlic and the area nearby, making it work even better. Cinnamon and garlic together create an intense scent barrier that mice and rats can't stand. Place these garlic spikes near entry points, in the basement, along the walls, in the garage, or anywhere you've seen rodent activity. They'll smell it and avoid those areas completely. With this, they stop coming back. And now you know how to drive rodents out of your home quickly and naturally. Since I discovered this method, there hasn't been a single fly, ant, or cockroach in my home. I got rid of them effectively, without using any harmful chemicals. Grab a large skillet and pour in about 1 1/4 cups of water. Add around 2 tablespoons of whole cloves. Their strong scent and insect-repelling properties are amazing. Heat everything over medium heat until the water darkens and a pleasant aroma fills your home. Once the mixture is ready, add about 3 tablespoons of baking soda. Baking soda boosts the effect of the clove infusion, neutralizes odors, cleans surfaces, and repels insects. The mixture will start to fizz. Stir until fully combined. Let it cool, then pour it into a spray bottle. But that's not all. Add a few bay leaves too, as their strong scent helps repel pests even more. This spray can last up to 2 months and works especially well in the summer. Just spray it on door frames, kitchen cabinets, and windowsills to keep bugs away. I haven't seen a single ant or fly in months, and my home is completely free of cockroaches. Just a few drops of this, and mice and rats disappear. These rodents can't stand it. Do you also have a problem with mice and rats? Or maybe you're terrified of them and want to prevent them from showing up. This is a natural way to get rid of them once and for all. This homemade spray effectively keeps unwanted rodents away. First, grind 1 tablespoon of cloves in a grinder so the scent becomes stronger. Transfer the ground cloves into a bowl. Pour in 1 1/4 cups of warm water and add 1 teaspoon of hot chili powder. Also add 1 teaspoon of black pepper, half a teaspoon of garlic powder, and half a teaspoon of cinnamon. Mix everything well so the ingredients blend together. Strain the mixture into another container to remove the spice residue. Now take 3/4 of a cup of the extract and dilute it with 2 cups of water to get the right consistency. Pour the ready spray into a spray bottle. Spray it in the areas where mice and rats are most likely to appear. This natural spray drives rodents away with the strong scent of spices. Get rid of mice. This will keep them away from your home. This way you can get rid of rodents without setting traps or using harmful poisons. This homemade mixture is a natural deterrent for mice and rats. Do mice appear in your home, basement, or garage? Do you not want to see them anymore? Prepare a mixture that will help you get rid of mice and rats. Pour 2 tablespoons of breadcrumbs into a bowl. Add 2 tablespoons of baking soda. Baking soda is harmful to rodents. Sweeten the mixture with 2 tablespoons of powdered sugar. Add 2 tablespoons of flour. Take toothpaste and squeeze it onto a spoon. Add that amount to the mixture. The smell of toothpaste will repel rodents, especially if it has a mint scent. Add 1 tablespoon of patching plaster. Pour in 3 tablespoons of vinegar. Mix everything well and knead it. The flour, baking soda, and plaster mean that if a mouse or rat tries to eat this mixture, at best it will experience stomach pain. This will discourage further visits. A uniform mass will form. Shape it into small balls and place them on a saucer. Put them wherever you have noticed rodent droppings, mice, or rats. Leave this natural repellent in the garage, attic, or basement as well. These small balls will help ensure a home free of mice and rats. Just a few drops can completely transform your home. You'll notice the difference right away. It's a brilliant trick my neighbor accidentally discovered. Start by grabbing a tall container. Add 2 tablespoons of Sriracha sauce. Its strong aroma and natural compounds make it perfect for this. Next, add 2 tablespoons of vinegar. Vinegar helps eliminate bacteria and neutralizes unpleasant odors. Then pour in 5 tablespoons of dish soap. The ratio matters. Dish soap acts as an emulsifier. Mix everything thoroughly until you get a smooth liquid. Pour it into a spray bottle and toss in a few whole cloves. Their strong, spicy scent has both repelling and antiseptic properties. Now it's time to use it. Spray your kitchen counters, windowsills, table, or any other area. This simple mixture makes an incredibly effective insect spray. Its smell is unbearable for bugs. Just a few ingredients can make your home feel fresh and pest-free for a long time. Mice and rats are no longer a problem. This method has never failed me. Make some popcorn and pour it into a bowl. Let it cool down. Get a sealable container ready. Crush some of the popcorn into it. Take a regular bar of soap and grate it as finely as possible. You don't need a lot. Add it to the popcorn. The next ingredient is baking soda. Add 2 tablespoons to the mix. Close the container and shake it well to combine all the ingredients. Your mixture is ready. This is an excellent poison for cockroaches and mice. The smell of the popcorn attracts them. While eating the popcorn, they also consume the soap and baking soda. They can't digest this mixture because of the soap and baking soda. Just take a small amount and place it wherever cockroaches or mice might show up. They especially like places like the cabinet near the trash, since that's where they're usually looking for food. Be sure to use this trick during the warmer months. That's when they show up the most.